Hi there, I'm Veena. Welcome back to Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's a spicy, sweet and tangy Goan chutney, a delicious but forgotten family favorite that you simply must try. Its distinctive flavor comes from coriander seeds. If stored well, it stays good for 2 to 3 days, even outside the fridge. In the old days, it was a popular travel food on long journeys, such as the trip from Bombay to Goa or the reverse. Now let's see how to make it. Let's begin by soaking a small ball of tamarind in a little hot water. Then to a pan, add half a teaspoon of oil. Any cooking oil. I'm adding coconut oil. To this, add a quarter cup of coriander seeds and roast them on medium heat for around 3 to 4 minutes or till they change color. Don't burn them. Let's keep these aside. Add another half teaspoon of oil to the same pan and roast 6 tablespoons of grated fresh coconut on medium heat till it is pale brown. Now add in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 6 broken up dry red chillies. I'm adding a mix of chillies so that mine will be a reddish brown chutney just like the traditional one. But you could add only Kashmiri chillies if you want the chutney to be more red. Next, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and 5 medium-sized garlic cloves. If you're using small ones, add 8 to 9 of them. Also add a 1-inch piece of ginger that is sliced. And roast everything for around 2 minutes. Now we let the mixture cool. In the meanwhile, in a mixer grinder or dry grinder, grind the roasted coriander seeds as finely as you can. Like this. If using a dry grinder, after grinding it, transfer it to a mixer grinder jar or a blender. Next, add in the other roasted ingredients and grind everything for a minute. To this, add a quarter cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now let's squeeze the tamarind to get some tamarind extract. To begin with, we'll add only around half of it. Later, we may add the rest of it or a little less, according to how much is needed. Grind everything to a paste. Taste the ground mix and add as much of the tamarind extract as you need and also some salt and chili powder as needed to get a balanced, spicy, sweet and tangy taste. I'll add a little more salt and all the remaining tamarind extract, along with a little water. And grind the chutney again. It should be wet but not runny. I added a little more water to adjust its texture. Now in the same pan we used earlier, let's heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Throw in a few curry leaves and quickly add in the chutney. Cook the chutney for around 2 minutes on medium-low heat. This is done. Cooking in oil gives the chutney a longer shelf life. After cooling it, let's transfer it to a bowl. Our delicious chutney is ready to enjoy. Also called red chutney, this coriander seed chutney goes well with steamed rice. But you could also have it with chapati. Add some vegetable and the protein of your choice, like boiled egg, like they did in the old days. And you could enjoy a simple but tasty meal. Let's taste it. It tastes so good. A perfect balance of all the flavors. Do give this recipe a shot and discover the taste of this almost forgotten but delicious traditional chutney. Bye for now. But don't forget to like, subscribe and drop me a comment. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.